Hello friends, mastering the art of belly button cleaning. Please don't neglect the belly button. It's a crucial area and it is prone to infection, especially if you have a piercing. Look out for Omphaloliths, that is small stones that can happen in the belly button because of sweat, dead skin deposits. There are different ways and simple ways to clean. If you have an innie, that means that your belly button is inturned, then you need to use a soft swab with soap, and otherwise just cleanse during a shower with soap and water. The belly button is a dark and moist area which makes it more prone for bacteria and yeast growth, so ensure that you clean it. Most importantly, if you have any sort of foul smell from your belly button, please visit your doctor because you may require intervention and antibiotics. Thank you.